Hi, I'm Anthony Stearns. I'm the founder and CEO of iRx Reminder. We're moving mental health patients from crisis to control. I've dedicated my career to solving healthcare delivery challenges, and the last decade to looking at medication adherence and its connection to independence. And I saw this personally when my grandparents lost their independence in their 80s because they could no longer manage their medications correctly. And this is a problem in the mental health space, where patients are disengaging from treatment at a rate of 25% every year. And that's not a small number of people. It's 4.8 million individuals. And of course, this frustrates staff, who are leaving at a rate of 40% every year as well. And this leaves $24 billion in lost revenue for agencies at the same time that they are losing their reimbursement rates trimmed every year. And it's because we have no idea what's happening to the patient when they're not in front of us in the clinic. There's no remote monitoring. But iRx Reminder has developed a simple, powerful solution built around our app and our Internet of Things pill dispenser that connects directly into an agency's EHR. And that allows staff to intervene quickly and increases the bottom line for agencies. And it is this triple win of helping patients, helping staff, and helping agencies that has us so excited about iRx Reminder's idea. Our Internet of Things pill dispenser is the key to our technology, but the innovation really comes from adding a dosing window around the time of taking. So when you enter the dosing window, the patient sees the LED on the pod come on, and that means that they can take it. They grab the pod at the top, touch the touch sensor, place it on their hand, tilt it, and the medication comes out. One kind of medication per pod. And that creates a record. And then the pod shuts down, and we're done till the next dose. However, if you're forgetting, that's when you get an alert to your smartphone, your smartwatch, a smart speaker in the corner. And only when you're missing your medications is an intervention triggered. So we get that remote monitoring mechanism that's missing. The pod itself is filled by the agency, so it creates another incentive to adopt. And it's far safer for patients because the medication's always contained, and unlike a pill pack or a 7-day pill box, there's not medications there that are possible for overdosing. And it's our situational smart alerting that has been proven to push high adherence. In fact, we can achieve over 80% adherence even with cognitively impaired patients. Let's take a look at our business model. Agencies expect to earn about $21 million with an average of about 4,000 patients in their census. But they're leaving about $7 million on the table because of disengagement and loss of staff. But with 20% adoption of our technology in an agency, there's more data for monthly med reviews. People show up at their interventions, at their appointments. We trigger more interventions, and that means $10 million more in revenue to do more good. That's a 40% net increase. What makes us different from all these solutions that you think are already out there is that we uniquely are plugged directly into the agency's EHR. We also have our proven smart alerting, as well as a far more flexible and portable system because we're built around the small pods that are easily placed in your backpack or a purse during the day. The beachhead market is 2,500 mental health agencies that represent about an $8.6 billion market, but this is just our beachhead. We've really had a long journey that began in 2018 with our focus on mental health as part of NIH's I-Corps program. And we used those NIH funds to complete our technology, and in fact, at the end of 2019, we were awarded a patent, and the same week we won the American Medical Informatics Association Award. But we did run into COVID, and during that time, we've been able to connect cloud-only with 2 agencies, and now we are ready for our first full demonstrations of this technology. And with that, we hope to prove, or we will prove, with agencies that we can work with their pharmacies, that we can have good staff response times, and that the revenue we project will in fact occur, and we have every confidence that will occur. And with FDA clearance, we'll be able to move to launch in 2022. So we're in 2 agencies today with 22 research projects behind us, but we want to grow to be 460 agencies, helping 180,000 patients and earning $80 million in revenue within 5 years. And we have the ideal team to do that. Myself, I'm a recognized expert in medication adherence, and I have over 50 years of healthcare sales experience helping me to bring this to market. In addition, we have great support from our advisors, including our investor, Steve Shapiro, and Dr. Fred Ma, an expert in FDA regulatory processes. So I'm asking you to join me to help move patients from crisis to control to achieve and maintain independence as an investor or as a strategic partner. Thank you.